In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the most advanced robots that can outsmart humans. So, buckle up and get ready to witness the future of robotics. Meet Robot 1, designed to assist surgeons during surgical procedures with machine learning algorithms that allow it to learn from past surgeries, ensuring minimal risks to patients. Robot 2 is used in the manufacturing industry, performing tedious tasks with great accuracy and speed. It is equipped with sensors that detect defects and take corrective action, optimizing efficiency 24/7. Designed specifically for hazardous environments, Robot 3 navigates through complex areas without damage while performing dangerous tasks. Robot 4 in the transportation industry is equipped with artificial intelligence to autonomously drive vehicles. With past driving experience, it improves its performance over time, reducing the risk of accidents caused by human error. Last but not least, Robot 5 performs tasks that are too dangerous for humans in space exploration, such as repairing satellites or collecting samples. It navigates through space with sensors, expanding our understanding of the universe and unlocking discoveries. Voiceover, that's all for now. We hope you enjoyed learning about the most advanced robots that can outsmart humans. These robots are just a glimpse of what the future of robotics holds. So, stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of robotics.